Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be making cabbage and franks, or cabbage and sausage, however you want to call it. I just got up this morning and decided that, I feel for some cabbage and why not. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I prepare this meal, stay tuned for the rest of the video. I'm going to start by dicing or cutting up all my plant-based seasonings that I have here in front of me. You can also check the description box to see all the ingredients that I will be using in today's video. Starting with my garlic, then going on to my cherry tomatoes. You can use regular tomatoes. I wanted a little sweeter taste, so I decided to use or substitute with the cherry tomatoes. Now moving on to my Scotch bonnet pepper. You have to have a little heat to the pot. However, I won't be using the entire pepper. I'm just cutting a few pieces off into small cubes. Then moving on to chopping up my thyme. Now finishing off with my plant-based seasoning, I have my green bell pepper, my purple onion and yellow onion, also my scallion. Now that we're finished preparing all our plant-based seasoning, we're going to move on to cutting up our franks. You can also use the Grace Vienna sausage, the ones that come in the tin for this. I am choosing to use franks instead. Now I am shredding my carrots. This shredder definitely made my life so much easier. I do 100% recommend getting a shredder, guys. It saves you so much time. Now for the star of the show, guys, you have your cabbage. So I was going to use the shredder for this, but I decided that I'm going to use my knife because it's going to get a lot messier. I have more control over the cabbage if I use the knife. So I'm going to be cutting straight down as how you see in the video and giving it that the same shredded look as if you were to use the shredder. Now we're gonna saute our plant-based seasonings that we prepared earlier. I am going in with my extra virgin olive oil. Once that is heated, I will add my plant-based seasonings and saute until soft. Once your seasoning is soft, you can go ahead and add your franks and allow it to cook and absorb all the flavors from your plant-based seasoning. Add your cabbage and your carrots and combine well. Then cover and allow your cabbage to cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Go ahead and season to your taste. I am using a few powder seasonings. I am using black pepper, grace all-purpose seasoning, and the Sazón complete seasoning. Okay guys, once your cabbage is steamed, it should look something like this, not too soft. Carrots are cooked, all your flavors have combined together, and yeah guys, this is the final product. There's nothing crazy to it. It's very easy, very simple. If you guys do try this recipe, comment down below and let me know how it went. If you did substitute the sausage, let me know what you substitute the sausage with. You know, we can share ideas off of each other. But there you have it guys. This is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching and staying tuned till the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.